Hey guys, we received this basic concepts eyelash curlers kit for test and try. This is a rose gold color premium lash curler for perfect lashes. As you can see, comes in a small carry bag where you can store all the things. So this is a whole kit. It's a stainless steel material, as you can see, and with the ergonomic things, with the pinch free, and then no pulling and anything. So you can see this works for all the lashes, whether short or long, and then have a pure stainless steel or the tweezer and a satin bag and the five pads to change and reuse. You can easily wash, clean, and this works really fine as well. So a nice eyelash curler, as you can see, and these are the extra pads that you can use if like one goes bad or you want to clean that up, and then yeah, reuse it and store it back with the tweezer and this kit. So overall, a nice eyelash curler.